Is your TV sound too flat or too quiet? Today we're looking at one of the simplest upgrades you can make, the Bose TV Speaker, a compact soundbar designed to give you clearer dialogue and better overall sound without any complicated setup. The Bose TV Speaker uses two angled full-range drivers to create a wider, more natural soundstage. What really makes it special is how well it clarifies dialogue. Voices sound crisp and easy to understand, even at low volume. It supports Bluetooth, HDMI-ARC, Optical, and AUX, so you can connect almost any device. It's tiny, just over 2 inches tall, making it perfect for small spaces or low TV stands. You also get a remote where you can activate dialogue mode or boost the bass for a richer tone. And if one day you want more low-end power, you can pair it with the Bose Bass Module 500 or 700. If you want a clean, simple, and affordable sound upgrade, the Bose TV Speaker is a fantastic pick. Link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.